Hello YouTube, this is Noah, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Mad Max High Octane collection on DVD, of course. So I did look into getting this on Blu-ray, but it is much more expensive on Blu-ray and there's limited quantity when I decided to purchase it on Amazon. This collection, however, includes the original Mad Max movie on DVD. All of these are on DVD, by the way. Mad Max, The Road Warrior, Beyond Thunderdome, Fury Road Black and Chrome Edition, and The Madness of Max, which is a documentary, and then all new special features and stuff for every one of these movies. So that's going to be really interesting to get into, and I think that's going to be some of the main features of this collection. This is going to be the special features, and especially the Black and Chrome Edition of Fury Road. I'm really excited to watch that because I did really enjoy Fury Road, and I'd love to see the Black and Chrome Edition because I hear a lot of people talk about it and say that it's almost like you're watching an entirely different film. I don't know if that's a hyperbole or if that's the truth, but I still am excited to watch it nonetheless. I got the DVD edition because it was cheaper, obviously, and I didn't care that much about owning it on Blu-ray opposed to DVD, as when it was originally filmed, it would look closer to how it looks on Blu-ray or DVD anyways. So not that mad that I'm missing out on the Blu-ray quality here. One thing I'd like to mention though is the Blu-ray does come with digital copies, but only for Fury Road. All the other movies do not come with digital copies. So if you're thinking about picking up Blu-ray thinking that it has all of the digital copies for the movies, it only comes with a digital copy for Fury Road and then a 4K Blu-ray for Fury Road as well, whereas every other copy of each of the movies is just a Blu-ray copy. So because of that, that's mostly why I was drawn more towards the DVD copy anyways. Let's crack this open right now. I really do like the Mad Max movies. They're not for everyone, but they are very interesting in my opinion, and an excellent post-apocalyptic story if that's something you're into. Alright. Throw that plastic wrap to the side, and it comes with a I don't know what you want to call it, slip cover, so I can probably stand that up in my collection downstairs. Alright, inside you got looks like the same stuff that was on the slip cover, so I'm going to crack it open, and I'm expecting things to be bare bones in here, which it looks like it is, so that's kind of strange. Each of the movies has no disc art except for Fury Road. That's kind of disappointing, in my opinion. Like, this is Beyond Thunderdome, this is The Road Warrior, and this is the original Mad Max. And only the special features and the Fury Road copies have the disc art, and it's not even that cool of a disc art. Sorry, I keep moving it out of the shot because I'm trying to look at it myself. But, yeah, it's kind of disappointing in my opinion. I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind if you're going to be getting this collection, because I did not expect that to be like that. But yeah, it's pretty bare bones in here. Not really what I expected. I had thought this stuff would have more in here or more to look at. But yeah, now I'm a little bit disappointed. That's alright, because I really do like these movies anyways. So yeah, that about wraps this up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video or want to see more like it. And leave this video a like if you did enjoy it or find it interesting. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright, if you stuck around this long, I do want to show you guys something cool. If you guys are a fan of the game Bioshock, I did create my own Bioshock Plasmid prop, and I'm going to show it on the screen right now. So I made this out of ceramic, and I molded it with clay, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how I made it. Basically, I threw the base of it, like this part, on the kiln, or not on the kiln, sorry, on the wheel, and then once that got leather hard, I formed this part right here, this half circle, and then, or not half circle, but half sphere, I guess, if you want to call it that. And then I made 4 of these little protrusions here that go off the sides. and then I made the head. I just kind of sculpted that myself, and then I fired it. And after I fired it, I applied tape so that I could mask off where I wanted the red liquid to be. And so I glazed that on, or I put glaze on there, ran it through the kiln again. Now that it had this shiny glass red glaze on it, I painted the rest of what wasn't what wasn't glazed. I painted that with silver acrylic paint, and then I dry brushed over black so that it would give it like a rust, or not rust, but a old, disgusting look to it, which is kind of what I was going for. But yeah, that's my prop here. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. And this wasn't really part of the video, I just wanted to show it because I didn't really feel the need to make a whole video off of it. But yeah, if you guys found this interesting, tell me about it in the comments. I want to hear what you guys think about it. Anyways, thanks for watching again. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.